Well, this sucks. Got a light out. I have to fix that one right there. Right there. Where's the one that's right here? Well, that would be this guy. Turn it. Pull it out. And we'll take that off. You'll push this in right here. Pull this out. Just like that. This is H11, 55 watt, 12 volt. Here, H11, 55 watt, 12 volt. Put this on, don't touch the bulb, okay? Snap it in place. Just snap it in place like that. So we're gonna put it in its spot. Put it in the groove, you turn it, lock it. Let's try it out. Mama will be happy again. They're working. Boom. Took care of it. If you like the video, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.